Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of BASF. My name is John Scetta. I'm the General Manager of Performance Collision Restyling in St. Catharines, Ontario, Canada, part of the Performance Auto Group of companies. In 2019, we were awarded with the BMW CCRC Collision Center of the Year Award. 2 years ago, we were looking at a way to speed up the drying process in our spray booth. BASF toured us through multiple locations with robotic style drying equipment to get a better understanding of what tomorrow is bringing. Looking at the cost associations to drying paint with robotic equipment obviously was very expensive. Enzo Di Loretto and Michael Carroll came and sat down with us to discuss an opportunity of launching a brand new paint line called the Glasurit 100 line. We started the launch on March the 1st, and everything that they had discussed was happening. The speed, the efficiency, the cycle time was amazing. March 14th, COVID hit, and unfortunately, US travel was halted. Michael and his team were no longer able to assist us face to face. We actually had to do everything remotely. With the way technology has gone, it was a very smooth transition. BASF Canada was here every step of the way, working through everything with us and getting us all the appropriate information that was needed. The biggest benefit that we have found with 100 line is booth cycle time. In our equipment with 90 line, our booth cycle time on an average repair was 45 minutes to 55 minutes. On a Pearl style vehicle, again, average repair was anywhere between an hour to 2 hours, booth cycle time. Our first vehicle going through the booth was a normal, everyday 2-stage paint. We were able to achieve a 35-minute booth cycle time. As our trials went on, within the first, second, or third day, we were able to do a full-sided tri-coat vehicle. Our booth cycle time on a full-side tri-coat vehicle was 45 minutes. So if we can start doing a little bit of math here, let's look at the advantages of 100 line. Let's say an average repair is $3,000. There's 20 days in a month. That's $60,000. $60,000 multiplied by the year is $720,000. If you divide that by an average of 42% gross profit, we're hitting around $300,000 gross profit, and we haven't spent a dollar in technology. We've allowed the scientists to give us that advantage through BASF. We are now able to achieve a stronger gross profit, and even if the finance of the paint that we're using on that particular job is off of what the insurance allowable estimate is, we're able to print an invoice out of the Smart Track system to provide that to the insurance companies so that we are able to attain that finance that we've overspent on. I want to thank again Enzo Di Loretto and Michael Carroll for giving us this wonderful opportunity, and I'm very humbled by the experience. Thank you very much. Have a great day.